Welcome to today's news.
SSC Phase 13 2025. 2,423 vacancies released. Know how to apply. SSC Selection Post Phase 13. Registration for 2,423 post begins. Know how to apply. The Staff Selection Commission SSC has released its official notification for Selection Post Phase 13. The last date to submit the application is June 23, 2025. Candidates who want to apply for various posts can find the direct link through the official website of SSC at ssc.gov.in. The registration process starts on 2nd June 2025. The last date for making online fee payment is June 24. The correction window will open on June 28 and will close on June 30, 2025. The computer-based examination will be held from July 24 to August 4, 2025. Selection process. The selection process will comprise with a written examination. There will be 3 separate computer-based examinations, CBE of objective type multiple choice questions for the post with a minimum educational qualification of matriculation, higher secondary, 10+2 at graduation and above levels. The examination will be negative marking of 0.50 marks for each wrong answer. Application fee. The application fee is rupees 100. The women candidates and the candidates belonging to scheduled caste SC, scheduled tribes ST, persons with benchmark disabilities PWBD, and the ex-servicemen ESM eligible for reservation are exempted from payment of fee. Fee can be paid online only through BEAM UPI, net banking or by using Visa, Master, MasterCard or by RuPay, credit or debit card. Correction fee. The Commission will levy a uniform charge of rupees 200 for making corrections and resubmitting the modified or corrected application for the first time, and thereafter rupees 500 for making the correction and resubmitting the modified or corrected application for the second time. The prescribed correction charges will be applicable to all candidates irrespective of their gender or categories. The correction charge can be paid by online mode only through BEAM UPI, net banking or by using Visa, Master, MasterCard or by RuPay, credit or debit card. For more related details, candidates are advised to visit the official website of Staff Selection Commission. Website address https ssc.gov.in/home. Get the latest educational news, career news, job news, exam news, latest updates and notification for central government, state government, bank, SSC, banking, UPSC, UGC NET, TET, SET, railway, post office and other jobs. Visit the channel Study for Sure with Stella. Address https www.youtube.com/studyforsure with Stella.
Thank you.